Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. We came back again to you guys when the daily candle finished. So, as you see here, what the price given us now. Here, look with me very close here. What that candle indicating to you? That one. It's indicating a pin bar, guys. Yes or no? But if you're looking at the past, what it did, look here, that's a pin bar. Look here, the same pattern happened here. And watch me, I told you yesterday, I told you that candle here, and that red one, and that green one came in the middle of them, that a continuation pattern. Yes or no? Now what you need to make a close eye at what? You need to make a close eye at the next candle. If it's going to be red, like that means the market is going to drop more till here, maybe till the zone which is down here. Or if it came green like that, it's indicating the market will go higher, guys. Everything is too clear. So now what you need to do, you need to wait in tomorrow candle what is going to tell you. Yes or no? Everything is very easy, guys. There is nothing hard. And here, what else we got here? Here we got a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. And the Bitcoin, it touch it here again. And now what I'm thinking to it? I'm thinking tomorrow is going to come to touch here, that zone here. Then after that, it will go in upward. It's going to do the same thing like how it done here before. In that zone here. Stay sideways here. Then he came down, he touched that one. Same thing is going to happen now. Then we're going to see if we are in an accumulation level, that man. Bitcoin, it will touch here in that zone here, then after that he will go up or he will come and break for us that zone here, which I show you before. It given us here like that, a head and shoulder, guys. And I tell you before what that meant. The Bitcoin, it's always when it's falling with a head and shoulder, and when it's going up, it need the market to form for you a triangle like that or a wedge. That the history talking, you can go back and watch the previous video. I go back to show you the history, but now I don't want to show it because I don't want to make that video too long. But look at it. Now what it given us? It given us here that head and shoulder. What is the neckline? Is it that level here? You don't need to make a line like that. You know, some people, they are going to tell you make a line. No, you don't need to make a line. You need to make a square like that. Look at me. Very close with me. What I'm going to do. Let me change that color. From here, from that candle here, you came till the lower of that candle here. The tail. I'm talking about the tail. And what you need to do, you came there, you make a square like that. That the neck level, guys. Why? Because that level here, look at with me. Very close, guys. How many times it's being touched here? Look, first time, second time, third time, fourth time. That's 5 times, guys. What did I told you me before? The 5th time is going to tell us if we are going to break or we are going to stay above it. If the Bitcoin came in that move now, the Bitcoin is going to fall down a little bit, but maybe till here. If it came till here, then go back up. That level here, it's still very stronger. If it's not, if it came like that and break it and go back and test it, then it's breaking for you the lower here. You are going lower, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And here, in Mr. Volume, what it telling us? Look with me very close here what the volume telling us. Look here what the volume telling you here. Even if that pin bar it came, there is no big volume. Who is winning here? Reds, guys. So that was me, I told you, it's still more falling down, guys. The reds, they still winning, guys. But if you look in here, look at the 2 candles here. Look at that one and look at that one. What it's showing to you. And in the middle of them, that red one here, what it's showing? It's showing the reds here, they are powerful than the green, but no one of them it came and breaking for you the last high, which is here. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So us, we still in a downtrend. There is no one will take it out from my mouth, because if you bring in and you put in a line like that, let's make it like that. What you seeing? Where is the times the volume it spike above that line us we're making? Because here, if you see what the volume doing here, the normal times, it stay below that level as we make. Where it's happening high, here, in that candle, that big candle. Here, in that candle, that big candle. It happened here, that green, then it's followed by a big red candle here. Yes or no? Same thing here. Green, when it happened, here. Indicating the market is going high. The red where it happened, here, the last time. Everything is in front of you guys. Everything is too clear here. And in my chart, let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, what you see in here. Very clear picture here in my chart. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. I try to do like that for everyone to understand, because I know some people, they don't understand technical analysis very well. So I try to explain to everyone the level we got is that one. It came that PM bar here. It's showing there is a big pushing from down. Yes or no? Look at the tail of it. But also, we are under the long-term trend, guys. Yes or no? We are under the long-term trend. But how are you going to know you are going lower more? It's need that one to come to touch here that level as we making before. And I show you that level what it meant. We bring the Fibonacci from lower here to the high here, and that level here where it's giving us the level between 50 and 60 here. That's how us we are going to know we are below in that level 50 and 60. That means us we are going to drop more, guys. If it came like that and it show here a reverse in that level, that means you are going to go lower till here. Till that level here, down here at 17,207. Everything is too clear, guys. And here what we got else, we got here the upper of that channel, and the lower of it is it down here. As you see it, I got it here as a level down here at 12,867. That was my view personally. Me, I think in the between it will go till here. That way, me every time I told you it's not yet, it's still early. The only signals us we giving now for day traders and scalpers, those ones, yes, they can enter now. But for investors, it's still very, 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 very early, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, the same thing here. As you see it, it touch here and it touch here. Look where we are. And what did I told you before? In the previous video, you can even go back and watch it. What did I told you here? What you got here? I told you look here and look here. What you seeing? You bring from there a level like that and you make it like that. Let's make it like that. What you seeing? Bitcoin, or that indicator of us, it came here, it show a rejection, here it show a rejection, here it show a rejection, and now you are at it again. It's showing there a rejection, my friend. Now what is it the view? What the Bitcoin it's supposed to do now? They are one of two. To break lower, to go here, to the that indicator here, or that trend line us we drawing last time together, or to break it to go here to the oversold area. And that's the right time for you to buy. If it's enter here at the oversold area. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus every day, guys, we put in 2 videos for you. Every day 2 videos. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. And you, are you a subscriber? If yes, smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel, and write for us down a comment, because the comments they playing a big role in YouTube. So write for us a comment and smash the like button, help us to growing up more that channel. If you've done it, thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, what it done here, it came out from that level and now it's showing here a rejection going down. And I show you those things. There is no entry yet, unless if it give you here a small divergence like that, guys, or here to give you a divergence here, and here that one that charts here to fall down more lower in that level to give you a divergence. Everything is too clear, guys? So let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what 4 hours doing for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys, and here in the 4 hours, what did I told you before about that level here? What did I told you about it? I told you only a blind person can't see that level here we got. What is the next level we got? Is here. Look with me where I started from. Here, yes, we got another level. And what the market showing here? It's showing a rejection, guys. Now what the view? The view is very simple. That one is going to go till here, till that level here. Then maybe after that it's going to drop. That's the view. Or it might, another scenario from here to fall down sharply down. And because here what we got, I show it to you in the previous videos, but it's okay. We got here a flag. I show you it's coming from up till here, and I tell you where it's going to break. You calculating. Everything is very simple, guys. And here in my chart, what I got in my chart, I got that level here, that one. I show it to you, and next to it is the 200 moving average. So it's going to come maybe from here to touch the 200 moving average here. Then after that there is a drop to touch for us the lower of that channel, which is here down. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. What you seeing down here, you see the lower of that channel. That channel, by the way, we started from here and from that level here. So now what the Bitcoin is going to do, I tell it to you, maybe it's going to go up, then after that it's going to drop. Because in 21 of September, guys, it's coming very, very stronger news. It's coming the interest rate of USA. So make a close eye at it, and we're going to see if the Fed is going to hike the interest rate to 75% or 100%, because it's going to make a big difference if it's increase it to 100% or 75%. So make a close eye at those things, man, I'm telling you. So yes, the Fed is going to increase interest rate, is going to increase it, but we need to make a close eye if it's going to increase it to 0.75 or 100%. Everything is too clear, guys? Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in our indicator. As you see it, my friend, here what it's showing you. I show you all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it. It's showing here like a small channel or a small flag, and here we still in the control of the bears. Yes or no? The bulls, they be in here, and the bears, they be in here down. So now what we're going to do? There is nothing to do now. You are not in a place to buy. You are not in a place to sell. You need to wait in, my friend. Bitcoin, always, or cryptocurrency, it's always, you need to wait in the opportunity to come to you. The opportunity is going to come when it's touching for us the trend line of the divergence or down here at the oversold area, guys. Everything is too clear. There is nothing hard. Just some people, they try to make trading is very, very complex and those things of them, but the trading is very, very simple. Here you got another level here, and that one we show it to you in the daily, but here even in the 4 hours is very, very clear as you see it. Look with me. So now I think it's going to touch it here, then after that it's going to drop again. So also we're still in a downtrend, guys. There is no buying yet. There is no buying opportunity yet. Remember my word. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, and what me I told you before, here, look with me here. What did I told you about that indicator of us here in that zone? I told it started giving us those dots that many changing the color from that orange to red here, but not yet. It hasn't entered here down in that level with dots here of 20. It needs to enter to it. That's why me are thinking there is more falling down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go in now to see 30 minutes, what 30 minutes telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys, and here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the previous video? You being someone watching all our videos, if you do it, thank you very, very, very much, my friend. What I told you here about the last video, guys, I told you, you got here a triangle, like that we draw it. We came here and we draw it like that. That's what I told you in the previous video. Where it's breaking lower. And also here, what we're looking for? We are not going to look for a downtrend. We are looking only for an uptrend to enter long in 30 minutes. And here, what it's giving you here, if you can look with me here from that zone here, if you can, and you extend a line like that, a trend line like that, let's make it like that, what it's giving you, a trend line, guys, it hasn't been broken yet, but that one here, it's being broken. And what else here? Look with me very, very close here, what I'm going to show you here, here, and here. What it's giving you the chart? It gives you here a head and shoulder, guys, in 30 minutes here. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. When it's going to come here a candle and to break for you here, you enter long. The first target here at the 200 moving average, guys. Where are you going to put stop lose? Stop lose, you're going to put it down here. Everything is too clear, guys. So when it's going to break in for you, that trend line also we drawing together here. As you see it, where I draw it from here, here, and here. And here, what did I told you? I told you got a head and shoulder. Where is the neckline? You came here to those candles, those ones would be pushing down, all those ones. Then when it came a candle and breaking for you here, you enter long. Take profit is going to be here. So there is a correction coming to the Bitcoin, guys. Remember my word. It will not be that big correction, but there is a correction coming. It's going to come till here, maybe till that zone here, as you see it, where we started the trend line. From here, that's where it's going to be the correction, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came out from the oversold area. That means it's going up. If it's breaking for you up here, enter long, take profit of you here when it came here to the overbought area, guys. By the way, to get that indicator, it's very simple. There is one video here in the channel, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to it and download that source code of that indicator, and even in that video we show you how to install it in TradingView. So like that, you're going to be a day trader in the cryptocurrency with a free trading strategy. Also, we give you levels, also we spot in for you the patterns, everything, and you just enter when it's breaking for you, and when it came here to the overbought area, you take profit. Then we started searching for a short entry, guys. Everything is too clear? So that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.